Hello, our dear students. Today we are going to speak about the adjectives. Adjectives are the parts of the speech which characterize and denote the unit or the subject. Blah. Hello, my dear students. Today we are going to speak about adjectives. An adjective is a part of the speech which characterizes the subject or the object or the noun, in other words. For example, green flower, beautiful day, white blackboard. According to the grammatical forms, Latin adjectives can be of two groups and the comparative degree. The first group of adjectives is called the first and the second declension. The second group is called the adjectives of the third declension. In this unit, we are going to speak about their first group of the adjectives or the adjectives of the first and second declension. So these are the adjectives which have three endings. This is us, a, us, a, For example, in order to determine the stem, we are supposed to put the word into the feminine gender, or we changing this ending into that. For example, we have learn goose, then we change it into feminine singular, learn ga, and we take away a ending, long will be the stem. Here we also have the form of the adjectives like dexter, dextra, dextrum. In order to determine the stem, we are supposed to change M into F, right? And so it was dexter, then we are changing it into dextra. Dextra, we are having it because this A was omitted according to some grammatical changes, historical grammatical changes which took place in Latin language, and that's why we have dexter. This is the stem. That's why the neuter gender will be dextrum. Then we are going to speak about the agreed terms. So, as every part of the speech, adjectives also have its dictionary form. It's like this: longus, a, dexter, dextra, dextrum. This is the dictionary form which you are supposed to memorize. At first you are looking at it in the dictionary and then you are memorizing it. In previous unit we have been speaking about non-agreed terms. In this unit we are going to speak about the agreed terms. From the name you can understand that something should be agreed with something. This will be noun plus adjective. This is the order of the agreed terms. The noun is always on the first place and the second will be the adjectives. They will be equal in number, gender, and case. Number, gender, and case. What do I mean? If the noun is of singular, genitive, nominative and feminine, so the adjectives also will be nominative, singular, and feminine. For example, we have arcus, longus, linea, longa, and septum, longum. So, arcus concerning us ending, right? This will be masculine gender. Feminine, masculine gender, singular, and concerning the table, this will be nominative. Longus. This is also, if we are looking, this will be masculine, nominative, singular. Here we have now. Longus will be also masculine, nominative, singular. A ending, we have already known that A ending is feminine, will be feminine, nominative, singular, concerning the table. A ending is also concerning the table, will be, yes, singular, nominative, feminine gender. Ending concerning the table, it will be neutrum, nominative, singular. Also ending neutrum, nominative, singular. It's a rule which shows the agreement of the terms in all cases. For example, I mean, if the noun will be in genitive case, we are supposed to change the adjective also in genitive case. For example, if you want to change arcus into genitive case, arcus, arcus, then will be longus, longi. Genitive case, genitive singular, it will be arcus, longi, because they both will be in genitive, singular, masculine. Then linea, we change it into linea, concerning the table, linea, and a we also change into e, longe. And also septum, we change it into septi, septi, into i, longi, right? The same will be if we are speaking about the plural form. It will be arcus, longi, then linea, longe, and septa, longa. And the genitive plural will be arcum, longorum, linearum, longarum, septorum, longorum.